we shall discuss about the behavior of gases. So first of all, there are two types of behavior. One is very microscopic, another one is macroscopic. So in first case, we study regarding the speed of molecules, speed of gases confined in a container. Similarly, momentum of the molecule and so on. And another aspect is pressure, volume, temperature of the gases. So far this property is concerned, we have to discuss first about the matter has four states: solid, liquid, gases and plasma. There are four states of matter. First state, solid. In this case, if we change the if we put the external pressure on the body, it has no impact on volume. Similarly, if external pressure put on liquid, then considerably light, very less impact on volume. But in case of gases, if we put external pressure, there is quantum change in its volume. So as far as the gases is concerned, this study is quite important for us. So in Boyle's law, so first of all we have to discuss Boyle's law. If a gas which is confined in a container having pressure P, volume P, then volume of the gas is directly proportional to 1 by P. It means V is equal to constant divided by P, that is PV is equal to constant, where temperature is constant. कि P और V का कांस्टेंट प्रोडक्ट ये कांस्टेंट होगा, जहाँ पर हम लोगों ने टेम्परेचर को कांस्टेंट रखा है. सो दिस वन इज इफ प्रेशर, दिस इज आवर फार्मूला फ्रॉम बॉयल्स लॉ. इफ प्रेशर चेंजेस इनटू P1, simultaneously its corresponding volume is V1, and alternatively pressure is P2 and volume is V2, so this must be constant. So this is the generalized formula for Boyle's law. Now we come to Charles' law. Charles' law shows that the relation between volume and temperature. Here is relation between volume and temperature, and the ratio of volume by temperature is constant, where P is constant. So in this case, volume is directly proportional to temperature. Volume is directly proportional to temperature, where P is constant. So V is equal to constant multiplied by temperature. So that is V by T is equal to constant. So from this result, if we want to generalize for different system of gases, so V1 by T1 is equal to V2 by T2 is equal to constant. So this is the result coming from Charles' law. Now combining both results, we have ideal gas equation. So PV is equal to RT, where P is pressure of the gas, V is volume of the gas, R is gas constant, T is absolute temperature. So if it is this equation is for N, for 1 mole of the gas, and if it is taken for N mole, then it is number N, it should be multiplied by N. So this is PV equal to nRT. So from these two relations, combining Charles' law and Boyle's law, we can see that PV is equal to constant, and here V by T is equal to constant. So combining both PV by T is equal to constant. So P1 V1 by T1 is equal to P2 V2 by T2. So this one is the result. So you can obtain this result from this result also. So PV by T is equal to this one, PV by T, and N is for number of moles and R is constant. So PV by T here is justified. PV by T is equal to constant. Okay, thank you.